Go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, construction line, make a line here with 150 millimeters by 2. Okay. Now select a circle, remove the construction line type, click here in this point, make a circle here with 50 millimeters of diameter. Okay. Select a line, make a line here, make this sketch here. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. This line has 8 millimeters of distance, and the distance between this line and this line here is 4 millimeters. Okay. The distance between this line and the center of the circle here is 14.45 millimeters. Okay. Go to modify, select it, trim, can cut it here and here. Go to fillet, select this edge. The fillet here is 2 millimeters. Okay, press OK. We have this. All the fillets here is 2 millimeters. Okay. Now select the line. Let's make this sketch here. Make a line here with 8 millimeters. A line here with 2.5 millimeters. Make a line here and here 2.5 millimeters. Okay. This line has 5 millimeters and here 2.5 millimeters. And make a line here and close this sketch here. Okay, let me show the dimensions here. Go to sketch dimension. The distance between this line here and this line here is 4 millimeters. The distance between this line here and this line here is 11.5 millimeters. The distance of this line here is 6.5 millimeters. 7.5, sorry. And the distance between this point here and the midpoint here is 5 millimeters. Okay, we have this. Now go to modify, select the chamfer, equal distance, click here. The chamfer here is 2 millimeters. Press OK. We have this. Now select the line, construction line type. Click here in the midpoint, make a line here, and finish the sketch. We have this two sketch here. Go to create, select revolve, select this two profile. The axis is this line here. Okay. And operation new body, press OK. We have this. Okay. Now go to construct, select offset plane, select the top plane here, make an offset here with 20 millimeters and press OK. Go to create a sketch, select this new plane here. Okay. Select 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint, make a rectangle here with 12 millimeters by 8 millimeters. And no, sorry, it's 8 millimeter here and 12 millimeters here. Press OK. We have this here. Okay, finish the sketch. Go to Extrude, select this profile here, the direction to side, the extended type to object, select this object here, the extended adjacent face. Okay, make the same in the other side to object. The object here is this object, the extended, the adjacent face. Operation join, press OK. We have this. Okay, now we will go to circular pattern. The object type is the features. The object is this extrude here. the axis, this axis here, okay. Quantity 3, press OK. We have this, okay. Now we go to create, modify, select fillet, make a fillet here inside. This inside fillet here is 5 millimeters. Select it here 5 millimeters. Press OK. Go to fillet again. Select this edge here, this edge here, this edge here. The fillet here is 2 millimeters. Okay. And press OK. We have this. Now to finish this, go to create a sketch. Select this face here. Okay. Select 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle here. 3 millimeters by 6 millimeters. Okay. Go to constraint, select the midpoint, select this line here and the midpoint here. Finish the sketch, go to Extrude, select this profile here. We'll make a cut here, okay, to this side. The extended type all, operation cut. You make a cut here and press OK. Here we finish our exercise, so thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more. Bye bye.